Hello dear friends, welcome to our KHTV YouTube channel. We are informing about earthquake updates. Current information in Indonesia. According to the German Search Center for Geosciences, GFZ reported the major magnitude 7.7 earthquake Banda Sea, Indonesia on Tuesday, January 10, 2023 at 3:17 a.m. local time, 20 minutes ago. Updated January 9, 2023, 18:03 Greenwich time, 3 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt the earthquake, and its depth was candidate 10 km. Please like, share, subscribe, and press bell to our channel for more information. KHTV.